Hello everyone. Today we will discuss animal breeding. Animal breeding. So the animal breeding. So the animal breeding is an important aspect of animal husbandry. So the animal husbandry process. So the animal breeding is very important process because of the animal breeding process they coming the new species, new characters. So they are the very important. So they are the following the for the breed animals. So they are the disease resistance. So the breed animals disease resistance, disease resistance. Next one, so they are the increase in the quantity and quality, increase in the quantity and quality of milk, quantity and quality of milk, meat and wool, milk, meat and wool. So they are the inbreeding and like animal breeding process, the breeding animals. So they are the increasing of the quantity and quality of milk, meat and wool. So they are the milk is quantity increase, quality increase. Next one, meat quantity increase, quality increase. Next one, wool quantity increase and quality increase. So they are the one advantage. Next one, fast growing rate, fast growth rate. Next one, fast growth rate, fast growth rate. So there are another advantage, fast growth rate. So the breeding animals, so they are the fast growth comparing to the another animals. Next one, so they are the early maturity rate. So they are the early maturity, early maturity, early maturity. Next one, so the last one, so they are the economy of feed, economy of feed, economy of feed. So they are the advantages of the animal breeding, advantages of the animal breeding. Next one, so they are the breeding is two types. Next one, so the method of animal breeding. So the next one, method of animal breeding. Next one, method of animal breeding. Method of animal breeding, method of animal breeding. So the method of animal breeding, so they are the two types, one is the inbreeding, second one outbreeding. So the method of animal breeding is two types. So they are the two types, one is the inbreeding, second one crossbreeding. First one inbreeding, first one inbreeding, second one cross breeding. Inbreeding, second one cross breeding. So the method of animal breeding, so they are the two types, inbreeding and cross breeding, inbreeding and cross breeding. First one inbreeding, first one inbreeding, first one inbreeding. So the inbreeding means, so they are the inbreeding means close breeding and line breeding. Inbreeding is two types, close breeding, close breeding, second one line breeding, close breeding and line breeding. So the inbreeding is two types, inbreeding is two types, one is the close breeding, second one line breeding, close breeding and line breeding. First one close breeding, first one close breeding. Close breeding means, for example, so these are the male animal. Next one, so they are the female animal. So these only animals, do not human beings, only animals. So they are the male one, so they are the female one. So these two is crossing, these two is crossing. Next one, so they are the female one. So next animal female one. Next crossing, Next another type crossing. So they are the male one. So they are the male one, coming from the male one. So the one male animal, one female animal. These two animals crossing. So they are coming from the next generation, either male and female, either male and female. So these male one, for example, these male one cross to these female animal. So these male one cross to the female animal. Like, so these are called as close breeding. So these female close to these male animal. So they are the super male, super female. So they are the super male. So they are the super female, super male and super female. Like, so they are the first one male, female. These two is crossing. Next one, they are coming from the either male and females. So for example, male animal. So this male animal next time cross through the female animal. So they are called as cross breeding. Cross breeding. So for example, the female one. So this female one. So the male one. So these two is crossing. So they are called as close breeding. Close breeding. Second one, line breeding. Second one, line breeding. So the line breeding means, for example, just examples. So these are the female. So these are the male. So these two animals are the crossing. These two animals are the crossing. So these are the 3-4 types of the animals. These two crossing process, the developing, one female, one male, female, male, like either females or males. So these two next time, these two is crossing, these two is crossing. Next one, so these two is crossing, so these two is crossing. So any one male and females are the crossing. So these type of the crossing is called as a line crossing. So they are called as line crossing, close breeding and line breeding. First one, close breeding means, so they are the super male, super female. So these next generation female cross to the super male. So the next generation male cross to the super female. So they are called as close breeding. So the cross breeding means, so the super female, super male. So these are releasing to the 4-5 types of the male and female organisms. So this female cross with this male. So they are called as line breeding. So they are the close breeding and line breeding. So they are called as inbreeding. Next one, cross breeding. Next one, cross breeding. Second type, cross breeding. Second type, cross breeding. So these are the cross breeding is 3 types. Cross breeding is 3 types. Outcrossing, cross breeding, outcross, so they are the inbreeding. Second one, outbreeding. Sorry, so they are the outbreeding. Outbreeding. Second one, outbreeding. First one, inbreeding. Second one, outbreeding. So the outbreeding is 3 types. Outbreeding is 3 types. So the outbreeding is 3 types: outcrossing, cross breeding, outcrossing, outcrossing, cross breeding, outcrossing, cross breeding. Next, third one, interspecific hybridation. Interspecific hybridation. Interspecific outbreeding. First one, outcrossing, crossbreeding, and interspecific hybridation. Interspecific hybridation. So the outcrossing, first one, outcrossing. So the outcrossing means, first one, outcrossing. Outcrossing means, so the pedigree analysis process. So they are the first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, fifth generation, sixth generation. So these crossing process, so the outcrossing process, so they are the minimum gap 4 to 6 generations, 7th generation, 8th generation. So they are the gap between the minimum 4 to 6 generations. So this crossing process, so first generation, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, so the 10th, 11th, 12th, so they are the generations. So in this crossing process, gap between the crossing 4 to 6 generations, 4 to 6 generations gap. So this type of the crossing is called, for example, so this generation animal cross with, so this generation animal, so their type of is called as outcrossing. So this type is called as outcrossing. Next one, cross breeding. So they are the cross breeding is in this method, superior male of one breed are mated with the superior female of the another breed. So they are one breed. So these are the generations. So they are the one superior male. So the another one, so they are the superior female. So these two is crossing. So they are the superior male and one generation superior female. So they are the first generation, second generation, third, fourth. So this first generation superior female, another generation superior male, superior female and superior male. These two is crossing. For example, so they are the superior female of one generation, superior male of another generation. So they are the one generation, so they are the another generation, second generation, another generation. So these two generations, so these two super female and super male, these two crossing, so they are called as cross hybriding. So they are the cross breeding. So they are called as cross super female and super male. These two is crossing is called as cross breeding. Next one, interspecific hybridization. Interspecific hybridization. Interspecific hybridization means like, so these are the donkey, so these are the horse. These two crossing, donkey and horse, these two crossing, so this type of the breeding is called as interspecific hybridization. Interspecific hybridization means, so the donkey, these two is a close relative species, so they are the one of the species, so they are the another species. These two species crossing, so this type of this species crossing is called as interspecific hybridization. Interspecific hybridization. Next one, artificial insemination. Next one, artificial insemination. AI means artificial insemination. So the artificial insemination means, so the selected, so the active bull, so the selective active bull, so they are taken from the semen of the bull. So the injection of the female genital tract, so the injection of the female genital tract, so this type of is called as artificial insemination. First step, taken of the semen of bull, so this taken semen inject of the female genital tract, so these are called as artificial insemination. Next, another one, moit. Another one, moit. Moit. Multiple ovulation and embryo transfer. Multiple ovulation and embryo transfer. So the multiple ovulation and embryo transfer means, for example, so these are the one cow. So they are the one cow. So this cow inject of the follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone, FSH and LH. So these two is injection. So this cow injecting from the FSH and LH. So this cow normally one menstrual cycle time releasing one egg, but injection of FSH LH, so this cow releasing to the 6 to 8 eggs. One menstrual cycle time releasing to the 6 to 8 eggs. So these eggs, so the releasing from these eggs after artificial insemination of the, so selecting bull, so cross it through the this cow, selected bull cross through this cow. So the after their formation of zygote. The zygote stage 16 to 32 cell stage, 16 to 32 cell stage, the egg is taken from the outside. So, these totally 6 to 8 babies is growing. So, the stage of 16 to 30 stage, so they are taken from the outside, they are introduced into the another cow uterus. So, they are inserting to the another cow uterus. So, the another cow is called as surrogate mother, another cow is called as surrogate mother. So, take and listen. So, this one cow, so the delivery from the 6 to 8 babies, major, so they are injection of the FSH, LH. So, the normally one egg is releasing, but injection of the FSH and LH, these cow releasing to the 6 to 8 eggs. So, they are after crossing, they are taken from the cells of the 16 to 32 stage. So, they are inserting to the another cow uterus. So, the another cow is called as surrogate mother, another cow is called as surrogate mother. So, the one time they are growing to the 6 to 8 babies. So, they are the multiple ovulation and embryo transfer. So, they are the animal breeding process, animal breeding process.